Big G in the house. Hey, bro. Say hello to the vlog. Yeah. Tell a little bit of what are you and what's your mission?
So we are right here in the studio, in the legendary studio where we recorded ICS, which stands for Information Changes Situation, which is our entrepreneurial course that teaches people how to build communities. And we launched basically yesterday. So today we're already adding new information into the course, because obviously it's a privilege that people enter ICS that they want to learn, and obviously I want to take this very, very serious and put content into it, and that's what we're doing right now. And it's gonna be lit, good information, because it changes the situation, it's needed.
And so you understand, like, our part and Explode's part is like to help Miguel also with creative, with content, with direction. So we've been working with over a year. Had our ups and downs, but there is trust between us, and I know Miguel more, Miguel knows us, and yeah, it's a beautiful thing that what we're building,
Building.
Yeah, that thing what he's building right now, like education, really is the future, I think, and it will help a lot of people. So glad to be part of it, and yeah, we'll see what's behind the scenes.
And major keys and my step-on-step game plan on how you can achieve the same thing. Look, after 7 years and looking back, because you can only...
We continue the day. Just came back to GBR from downtown. We are recording our client Miguel's mini course. He's launching his main course. And right now we're heading to podcast. Interesting one, because today I'm gonna meet 3 of my clients face to face. Usually we meet, like maybe once per week or even less, because really we try to automate things and do everything online. But yeah, today we're going to the podcast. Mike and our other client Joss is gonna have a discussion. So we're gonna go there, make sure everything is right, and gonna grab some best bits for the best short form content.
Nice americano.
Takeaway americano, and we're ready to go. Look at this skinny penis. 1, 2, 3. What the fuck? Wait.
Jag får en längen.
Turn around. Sheesh. Bro, straight out of prison. Prison break.
Prison.
Yay.
Good job there.
Yoble. How was Japan?
Sick. So sick that he lost his hair. Yeah, I kind of forgot.
Oh, for me? Thank you. What is that? Block of cigarettes?
I don't know. I don't know as well.
Nice packaging. Look at this, guys.
It's Japanese.
Okay. Feels like Christmas. Tokyo. I hope it's a flashlight.
Yeah, we weren't sure about that.
Yeah,
if
we
we can bring it.
Yeah, nobody wants to come.
Art. This is. Oh, wait.
No.
You can't stop. Papir.
What?
There was paper.
What's that? It literally says, "Do not eat this."
This you don't need? What is that?
Mike did the same, so.
Okay, where's the flashlight?
What a sunset.
Out of here!
Yes, boys. How was it?
Yo. How are you? Good. Good.
I want to go back to Japan. Why? I bet you loved it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, I was happy.
You banging
No.
No. Why not? Banging dudes?
No.
Why not?
That man will clip of you fucking you bang up to chicks. You can see that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bomb clap. Yeah, in the beautiful GBR after the podcast, here with Kristaps. Just a quick message I figured out we can share to you, and you already have heard my take on Dubai, on the life I'm living, what I'm doing here, but I have a question for Kristaps. Maybe he wants to share his experience and his knowledge a bit about how it's been for you, your first 3 years right now, it's gonna be an end of it's already 2 years here. How it's been for you, and what do you miss from the life in Europe, and how your experience a little bit.
One of the biggest things I learned is that how much you can learn from a different environment. Because many of the things I know now would not be possible to learn in Latvia, back home. Lots of the knowledge and people who I'm learning from, I would not get those people in Latvia, which is the reason why I love living in Dubai. The networking here, the people here, the knowledge I can learn every single day. Like, we meet some amazing people every single day, every single time we're shooting a podcast.
Saw the podcast, like
Yeah.
Joss Mooney, or today you saw that guy was an actual billionaire, self-made from Germany here in Dubai, and you hear his story and you actually shake hands with them, and you wouldn't get this anywhere in the world. And the most important thing, like Christoph said, it's not that anything is bad with our home country, Latvia. It's just the access you get in the rooms. It's just
Yeah.
unmatched. For example, you can live in your home country or even hometown for like 5 to 10 years, and perhaps you meet one person who could change your life potentially. But then again, maybe it doesn't work out. So it's, people would say, we are here in Dubai just because of luck. Yeah. Partly it's true. We needed some luck to get here. We needed some luck to meet those people. But then again, we were working with those people 3 years. So how can you get lucky for that amount of time? So what I want to say, every one of you can do whatever you want, whatever you have in your vision. But if you put yourself in the right environment, when there's
Exactly.
money, where there's people similar thinking to you, and then everyone will have the chance to prove themselves in this life. So what Christoph said is really important. Move the fuck out of your home country when you're young, when you don't have children, when you don't have a wife, because then you will have to think about other mouths to feed, not your own. When you're young, you can just like eat fucking Latvians who know roll Tony, or eat just like instant noodles, and you're good. You're focusing on the biz. So yeah, Chris, you've been working with like really like elite client hand to hand, like Mike Thurston, for 3 years now.
Yes, sir.
And what have you learned the most from him?
Oh.
Yeah, how would the experience with him has been for you, like personally for you?
When we first met Mike, I was really nervous and starstruck.
Yeah.
And I learned that all of these celebrities, online people, they are just humans, the same as us. And I've gotten over like the starstruck phase, Right now, nobody surprises me.
First weeks we started work with Mike, we met Larry Wheels.
Yeah.
What the heck,
Like right now, when we meet people, yeah, it's cool. But it's not like I'm nervous or, oh my God, he's something.
Just like a guy with 5 million followers.
Yeah.
He's like, okay.
It's like, yeah, that's nice. Like, nice to meet you and all, but
And that's super important. All those people just like super fanboys to like Travis Scott to Justin Bieber, and it's like, putting all the people on pedestal, it just really fucking wastes your time, because really those are the same people. They go to the toilet, they brush their teeth, and in Dubai you perfectly realize that, and that removes the fear or scarcity to work with big people. And people ask me in DMs like, how it's been to work with Mike or all the big people. It's like, just like you would work with a person who has like 100 followers on Instagram or 10 followers on Instagram. It's just a human to relationship.
yeah.
I think what you want to add is like, with Mike, it's been really like, he's a cool dude, genuine dude, and just like been working with a nice person, not like with big influencer, I would say.
One of the things that Mike has is a strong brand. I feel like that's what lots of people could learn. He says no to a lot of stuff
Yeah.
that
You can imagine
maybe
his email, yeah.
that maybe for now like he loses out on money, but long term, respect, strong brand, maybe even more opportunities than if you would say yes to some bullshit now.
What do you
So
think
that's-
how he has built that successful brand? I have my own opinion, but what's yours?
How?
Yeah, like what has been his cornerstone of like where he is today, and he was like when he was 25, 26, where our age.
It's a good question.
Well, I think two things. First,
Yeah.
he had that X factor, which a lot of people unfortunately don't have. He
Yeah.
was looking different. You know, he was looking really great. He was a model. He was really intelligent. He know how to talk, and he just understood the opportunity that he can provide value. And with that, it didn't end. He was determined to like do consistent. Like he uploaded 2 YouTube videos a week.
Yeah.
And of course, when you grow in 1 year to 300,000 subscribers, it's inevitably you wanna go towards that and go all in. Because people also, what I think they need to sense a little bit some success in some area of life to go all in. So if you ask us, you know, what is the plan for us? Like, we are some dudes from Latvia, from small country here in Dubai. Like, what is our goal here? I'll let Kruze continue. I will say for myself, like, I feel like I've been living here for 2 years, but I feel like it's just beginning. Like, I'm just have broken my old understanding, my old programming of like kind of like scarcity mindset and how life can be. And I'm really seeing people around us and people we see on a podcast that you can freaking actually achieve it. You know, you just have to be in the right places and you have to have the right mindset and hone those skills which are beneficial for your own growth. Like, for example, if you want to be in business, then okay, what business skills do you need? For example, be a great communicator, that you understand your product the best, you understand your product the best. You know, it's not like you have to go in a meeting with the mindset, oh, client should already know everything, because it's like white and black, you know. But you should know everything from A to Z. You should communicate that. You should listen to the client first, which was my big problem. I was also trying to sell, but I wasn't listening to client. And now I'm learning to listen, and then I can help them. The second thing is, you never know which day you're gonna meet a person who can change your life. And what I also want to say, people are like afraid to leave their home country, is like, they're all my friends there. This guy is one of my like only friends here. And you don't need a lot of friends to be successful. You don't need them at all. Strangers will make you rich. People will see the qualities in you, will make you rich, because you're gonna make partnerships and businesses that will make you successful. So you're all, here especially, you're always one step away, one meeting away, one relationship away, one away, whatever in the world. But here is more. I feel the energy more closer, because like the quality of people here is, like I already said in the previous videos, it's unmatched. And yeah, what is the next for Kristaps? Like, I'm gonna continue growing my businesses. I'm gonna hone my skills and create even more businesses that create value. And in return, you know, I will get some gains, because I know that if you give value to the world, eventually you get some gains from it. And already from my business, I see that, you know, like I'm helping our clients, Mike, Joss, other guys, they having their social presence up, and it fulfills you and fulfills other people, you know. So I'm gonna stop yapping. Kruze, what is the next for you, and how you see yourself in Dubai in next 5 years maybe?
I feel like I'm at a point where I could teach people how to get to my position, because already from posting lots of educational content, I see that people are interested in what I say. They see my day-to-day
Professional yapping.
They see my lifestyle here. They see that I meet like well-known people almost every day, and lots of the people probably want to end up in a position like me. So I'm gonna do coaching. That's gonna be my next business, and I'm also gonna double down on personal branding and my own content. So
Hi guys, if you watch the channel, why are we doing these videos? Like, first of all, for me, I really found a strength of, not a strength, but I really found value in this. If I'm gonna look at this after 5, 10, 20 years, it's really amazing to see this all documented. And that's the first thing. And I think if you go with this mindset, it will become really easy, and then you attract your tribe, attract your people. Because my main business is short form content, but also long form content, like, gives this connection. Like you see us, you see me more, not in like 15-second reel, but you see me, like how we are raw. And also Kruze, you know, like how he's expressing himself. And yeah, I'm really glad we did this talk and motivate people. And whoever's watching this, guys, you can fucking change your life in in less than a few months, really, if you put yourself in right situations and put yourself around good people that you need in your life at this moment. Yeah, if you have any questions, just let us know in the comments, because it's easier to create content of what you actually want to see. So yeah, we're gonna go hop in our Lambo from LA parking and gonna drive up in our Lambo to our double date in Namos with two hot Russian chicks.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, so typical Saturday night in Dubai. So
Так живем.
так живем, так. Мой русский аудитория, да, могу сказать, если хотите по-русски контент, могу делать контент тоже, так, потому что, ну, я профессиональный япер.
Yeah,
Okay.
if anything, send us a DM. We're gonna ignore you anyway. So yeah.
Да, Russian, English or Latvian. We're here to help. Okay, guys, have a good one and cheers.